Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that's open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me is Andrew Reinhardt from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks for being here with us today.
Hello, good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Of course, Andrew. And this technology is really the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
That's right. If you're out there suffering from erectile dysfunction, I bet you are disliking the pill. I don't blame you. Those days could be over. We have a major medical advancement. It's called acoustic wave therapy. It's a technology that delivers very gentle pressure waves into the blood vessels. It causes those blood vessels to open up and expand. That's a great thing. You can imagine what that does to life in the bedroom. It improves circulation enough. We can get rid of the erectile dysfunction. No pills, no injections, no surgery. There you see essentially what our treatments are doing for so many men all over the country.
And Andrew, you just said it, this shockwave therapy is needle-free, it's surgery-free, and drug-free. Your procedure is also backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those?
That's right. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, you can read 50 third-party clinical studies that have been done on our technology. This is heavily vetted, heavily studied technology. Even Cambridge University studied this, showed it to be highly effective at getting rid of erectile dysfunction. If you crave more intimacy with your significant other, if you crave more frequency, if you're ready to get rid of the pills, this treatment is the answer, and it is backed by the scientific community.
And Andrew, ED is a pretty serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available on the marketplace.
The traditional methods for 30 years have been the pill, injections, or supplements. And if you think about it, all of those go to the symptoms of ED. They don't fix the actual problem. So a man becomes a prisoner to it, taking it for the rest of his life, getting mediocre results, and getting side effects. This technology at Pineview Medical Clinic goes to the root cause. There are no chemicals, so there are no side effects. It's the first and only thing, as far as I know, that treats the root cause of the problem so that the blood flows where you want it, when you want it.
Getting down to the heart of the matter and not just the symptoms. And then, Andrew, there's no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That is pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how this technology actually works.
The key word is neovascularization. That's what these treatments create. Basically, the regrowth of blood vessels. It actually widens the diameter of blood vessels also. One of the leading causes of ED is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So it's a physical problem. It needs a physical solution, and that is exactly what we do.
And is there any recovery time from this procedure, Andrew?
There is no recovery time. It's the lunch break treatment. A session only takes 10 minutes. No pain, no recovery time. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal.
You can get in and out very quickly. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We have a lot of value today. If you are ready to put a stop to your erectile dysfunction and regain your love life, also get rid of those pills, get your phone ready, call us before this segment ends. The exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound will be free, plus a gift that I think you'll love. It produces immediate results in the bedroom. This is worth hundreds of dollars. Call that number, 314-530-7777. Everything I just mentioned is totally free.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much for sharing with St. Louis on how they can get access to this incredible deal. Pineview Medical Clinic here in St. Louis. We'll make sure you have access to all that information on our website at studiostl.tv. Hey, St. Louis, don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show in a jiffy.